Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can send money on Revolut to a new account. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, there are some steps you have to do. Make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. So for that matter, simply have to open up your app. Now go ahead, sign in, and then afterwards you will be in the home section. From the home section, simply go ahead, navigate to the main menu and tap on transfers. Then from over here, tap on send money. From there, you're going to tap on the new, which will be available on the top corner. Go ahead, tap on the new, and you'll be able to add a new recipient by adding their Raave tag, their number, or Raave tag or their number. Once you've added that, and then you will simply search for the recipient's Raave tag. Once you have found the recipient, you're going to tap on their profile, and then you're going to go ahead, enter the amount that you wish to send, and once you have confirmed the amount and information, you're going to tap on confirm, and your money will be sent. Once you have done that, they will receive the notification in their Revolut itself once they have received the money, or you can simply go ahead and ask them if they have received it or not, and that is it. That's basically how you do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.